And here comes our boat. Yay! There's one of our friends, May. Hi, May.
Is that a pirate flag?
It's a pirate flag. Yeah, so this boat comes from Pirate Divers Busuanga, who I've done a post about. If you click on the link here, I'll beneath this video, you will find out all about. There's May. Hi, May.
Hi. Hey, everyone. Hi.
Here comes the boat. Just out our adventure.
Oh, nice. This is nice.
Yeah, it's a nice big boat. It's good to get the bigger bankers because they ride the waves better if it's a little bit rough.
Look at that beautiful.
And there's Simon sat with his kids. Simon is the owner and founder of Pirate Divers. And this is one of their boats. This is normally used as a dive boat, but today it's going to be ferrying us. Okay, so I'll see you a bit later on the boat.
Okay. Sakay na.
Skull and crossbones. See you later.